In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an intro for your YouTube videos in 2020 for free. I'm going to show you the website, I'm going to show you how you can customize it so that it fits your channel, and I'm then going to show you how you can download it for free so that you can use it in your videos. Now, if you're interested in that, keep watching the video and let's get started right now. Okay, so here we are on my PC. Right now, I want to show you guys the website or platform that we can use to create good looking intros for our YouTube channel. Now that website is called Penzoid. So once again, that's called Penzoid. I'll leave a link to it in the pinned comment section down below if you want to go check that out after watching this video, or you can just go to Google and then simply search for Penzoid, which is spelled like this. So simply search for Penzoid and it will then go to the website. Now once you're on the website, you can go into a new project, and once you do that, you'll find all of these different video intro templates. Now, depending on when you're visiting this website, you might see 4 intros, you might see 5 of them, but you can always click on more creations right there, and they will then send you to a website where you get to choose from a lot of templates. So there you go. So you can now see all of these intro templates and you can then choose one. Now make sure that the one you choose is free to use, meaning that there's no copyright on the actual intro template. I'm gonna do that right now. So I'm just gonna use this one right there. 80s retro chill intro, free to use. You then click on the one that you like and you then click on open in Clipmaker. Now once you do that, they're basically going to send you over to the editor where you can customize your intro so that you can add your name and you can customize a few things. So what you can do, you can like move this around in 3D on the intro. So this is the template. If you want to like see what the intro looks like, you want to click on this eye icon right there and then click on the play icon, and it's then going to play the actual intro. Now this one looks pretty cool in my opinion, so if you like this one, you can then start customizing it. And this is also why I like this website. You don't need a lot of fancy editing skills. All you need to do is pick a template and then you can start customizing that. So once you found your intro, you want to click right here on the basics. Now once you do that, it's gonna pretty much allow you to customize the basic settings. So first of all, we have the video resolution. So let's say that you always record your videos in 4K. You then select 4K so that your intro is also going to be in 4K. Let's say that you always create your videos in 720p. You then select that and your intro will then also be in 720. Now I always create my videos in 1080p and 30 FPS. Now if you create videos in 60 FPS, you can also change that right here, and you can also customize the length of your intro. Now I don't recommend choosing an intro that's longer than 10 seconds because most people will click off. So what you can do, you can put this at 10 or 9 or 8, whatever you want it to be. So I just put mine at 10 seconds. So from now on, this intro will be 10 seconds long. Now once you've got this set up, you can click right here on scene. Now you can then choose all of this. So you can choose an outdoor scene and you can then click on that and you can then customize all of this. So you can click space, you can click tropical sunny day, you can choose this to be flat, off, or terrain. Now I'm going to click off, and then once you've customized that, you can click on to the next project setting, but you can then click on play as well. So as you can see right there, you now have these clouds like I just customized it. So tropical sunny day, you can now see that, let's see right there, you see this tropical sunny day basically, and that's pretty much how you can customize your intros. Now once again, if you then want to check out how that looks, you click on this eye and you then click on play. And there you go, it's then going to play your video. There you go. So from now on, we also need to customize our name, right? So you can do that by clicking right there on objects. Once you do that, you'll see all of this. So right there, you'll see the shape, but you'll also see the text. Now this is really important because here's where you can actually customize your intro so that it fits your channel. Now let's say that your channel is called How To Digital, just like mine. Make sure you guys go subscribe as well if you haven't already. I would appreciate that. But you then type in your channel name right here. So that's How To Digital. Now once you do that, you can also customize the font and the sizes. So as you can see right there, let me just go back right here and then move this over. You'll see that this is kind of like it doesn't fit, right? It's way too big. So what you can do, you can customize the size. So you can put it at 10 maybe, and there you go. It already looks way better. Now you can also mess around with the thickness. So let's say that you want it to be a bit thicker. You then put in free, for example, and there you go. Now you can customize all of this to whatever you like, basically. So I'm gonna change the font. So you can play around with the fonts. You can pretty much customize anything on this platform. Let's choose the bold font. I kind of like that one. Now you can customize all of this as well. So you can play around with the position, the rotation, and the scale, and also with the color. Now I kind of like white because it looks good. So I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm then gonna get rid of this. Oh, that's I should have not done that. Okay, so once you've customized your intro and you like it, you can view it once again. So click on the eye, then click on play, and you'll then see what it looks like. So this is now my intro, just like that. If you like it, you can pretty much start downloading it. But before that, I want to show you guys a little bit more. So you can also go right here and you can start adding effects. So you can add a static effect, RGB shift. You can pretty much check out all of this yourself. Let's say that you want to make a color correction. So you want to play around with the colors. You can also do that, but you can pretty much do anything on this platform. And this is why I really like this platform, is because it's free, it's easy to use, you don't need experience, and you can customize all the intros. Now let's say that you don't like the music, you can then add your own music as well. So for that, you want to click on the music icon right here, audio plus music, and you can then select a file. So click right there on select, and you can then select a file from your PC. So make sure to have the actual file on your PC, and you can then add it. Now I recommend choosing a file from no copyright songs so that you'll never get a copyright strike. So I've got a few songs lined up right here, so I can choose, let's see, this one right there. You then choose it, and it will then use that music on your intro. Now once again, you can play around with the volume, you can start an offset, you can fade it out, you can fade it in, you can pretty much customize this to whatever you like. Now once you got that music done, you can download your intro if you like it. So what I'm gonna do, this is now our intro. Let's play it for you guys once more, and then we can see our final intro. So this would now be our intro. How to digital, there you go. So the music doesn't really fit the intro for me, but like I said, make sure you just find an intro with good music, and then you should be good to go. Now let's say that I like this and I want to start using it. I then go to the download icon right there, and then right here you'll see mode. Pretty much choose good quality or fastest render, it's up to you guys. I would choose extreme quality just to make sure that it's like good quality, or you can always choose good quality, okay? Now once you've got that done, you can click on the format. Now I recommend choosing this one, MKV. So once you click on that, you can start the video render. Now if that video format isn't working in your video editor, you want to go to a website called convertio.co, and right there you can then convert that file. So you can choose, you can click on choose files right here. You then click on the file on the intro file, the MKV, and you then convert it to a MP4 file. Now as you can see right there, the render time might take a while, so it can take a while for you to actually get your intro, but this shouldn't be like a problem because you're going to use that intro for a long time. So I'm pretty sure that we can wait 28 minutes for that intro. Now like I said before, if you cannot find a good intro template in this list, you can always click on more creations. You will then leave the website, so that's not a problem, and you can then find all of these other intro templates. Now you can filter this on trending, latest, top, and also following. So you can also follow people on here so that when they create new intro templates for other people, you can actually find them. Now I recommend going to the website, then going to top right there, and you'll then find the best intro templates. So you can then scroll through this list and you can then start customizing them. So once again, go to the website and then you can start customizing all of this. Now right here, they also have outro templates so that you can put these at the end of your videos instead of at the start. So they have intros, outros, a lot of stuff on this website. So once again, this website is called Penzoid. Once you go to the website, you'll end up on this page. You then click on an intro, you click on open in Clipmaker, and you can then start creating your intro. Once again, there will also be a lot of other templates at the left side of your screen. So this intro is now loading, but once this is loaded, you can start customizing all of that. by using the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Now that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video. Once again, I'll leave a link to Penzoid in the pinned comment section down below, so it's not going to be in the description, it's going to be in the pinned comment. So make sure you go check that out. Once again, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel, and then I'll see you in the next video. I hope you have a good day. Peace out.